Alright boys, welcome back. We're at the Napanee ATV Park again. We are gonna hit some mud holes, that is for sure. We got a few bikes here to do some comparisons. We got Ryan with his 850. It's loud and mean. We got Kyle with his 570. Whoa! We got an Arctic Cat Mud Pro. We've got another Outlander. There's another group that showed up. They got a Renegade and a few other things. They're gonna come along for the ride with us. So let's get to it. Oh, everybody waiting for me? There really isn't any better feeling than the energy at the start of a ride. I've said this before, I can't explain it. You have to experience this off-road lifestyle. Where else would perfect strangers who had never met before become brothers? Alright, well, he got things sorted out. Got a little bit of water in his belt. He's a newer driver. He doesn't operate this too much, and he just went into a spot nobody else had been yet, and it was a mistake, but he'll be fine. All's good. Okay, so we're hitting the trail this way. We're gonna come back to Mudville, which is that way. Want me to do it first? I'll do it first. I don't care. I don't care. Is it deep? Deep enough. All I gotta do is give her a little bit of Can Am jam, and I'm pretty sure Kyle knows what to do. Here, bud. You're a two-wheel drive. Oh, now he's gone. Oh, that's just stinks, man. He's working it. Okay. There you go. Once you find that track. Drive kind of killed him. Who's next? See those Mudder Inlaws work. He's got way more tires. Now this side here is super deep. I think you gotta try to get back on the other side. Oh, there she goes. Let the tires do the work. Maybe we just try getting your body weight off of it. Sometimes that's all it takes. So you just get to the one side, yeah, and then give it a little push with your leg and just see a little. Oh yeah, there you're floating it. Oh, look at that! Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna stand back a bit here. XM 310s. Those are good mud tires. That's XM 310s right there. Absolutely, like his back tires caught and pull him. He didn't need his three-wheel drive. work when you go over it. It's kind of like, it is kind of like cheating. It is kind of like. Oh.
I was thinking about doing it, last second let go of it.
I know, you kind of, I was like, I thought he was going to smash it, but. Okay, there's another good one up here. It's like right there, but it's more of a challenging one. Like it's deep on one side. Too much throttle. I gotta tell you, these tires with this clutching setup and the Visco forward lock, this thing will go just about anywhere. Now Ryan's tires are amazing, but they do give up a little bit of ground clearance compared to mine. Now the other difference is his machine is an XT model, and I believe does not have the same arched A-arms that tends to get hung up every now and then. Here you can see Ryan's trying all the different techniques. He's doing the lean and push, down to the side saddle, shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. So this hole is a good thing to compare ground clearance. She wants to go. Yeah, I think if you get enough of a little bit of a bump, I think you'll hear it. Oh, I don't want it. He's got more ground clearance. Now here's a good look at these Mudder Inlaw tires. They're true 32 inches, but as you can see, they don't climb that well. Unfortunately here, Graham blew a rear axle. This place sure is hard on equipment. Oh, A for effort. Get a little push. Whoa! Ah, you got right in the head! Ball of mud right in the head. Give her, give her, give her, give her. The thing is, it's so deep. You're hung up, you're high centered big time. I don't know if you can fit. Now these tires here are really impressing me. These tires measure in at around 29.5 inches, and combined with the 570 XMR are a wicked package. Oh yeah! Oh! Come on, yeah! Oh, that's go up! Oh. A bit, yeah. He was hung up exactly the same you were, but because that thing's so much lighter, and you're like an animal, just freaking push the thing up there so it can grab. But the Visco was stopped right here. Yeah, that tire just went, well, I'm not moving. That was awesome. in this one.
That came up a hell of a lot higher than I was
expected. Oh, she's a wet one here today, boys. Love taking people here for the first time. Oh yeah, buddy! Taking people here for the first time is so much fun. She'll go. There you go. Yeah. There you go, buds. Nice job. Yeah, buddy. While you're waiting for part 2 of this adventure to unfold, watch this one on the screen right now. I'll see you in the next one.